Hello guys and welcome everyone to my new Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create checkboxes, but not only checkboxes, radio checkboxes. So as you know, a radio checkbox is when you create a lot of checkboxes and every checkbox that is checked automatically unchecks when you check another box, like you can see here. So first of all, we are going to create a widget blueprint. So here it is. We are going to name it checkbox. It doesn't matter. So checkbox, here it is. So we open it. So I'm going to make a vertical box or a horizontal box. Here it is, and I will make an anchor on the middle so it does show correctly on the viewport. So now I am going to add our checkboxes. So here they are. I'm gonna create 4 checkboxes for this tutorial, but you can create as much as you want. So we make it look a little bit good. So here they are, our 4 checkboxes. So I'm going to scale them a little bit because they are too little. You can do it here, but I think I'm gonna just make my horizontal box bigger, or maybe not. So here we go. We need to do this on every checkbox. So here's the first one, 50 on 50 y. So I need to do this on every one. So I will stop the video here. So here we are back, and here are our checkboxes. So I just cut the video because it has been a little bit long to do it to every checkbox. So now we are going to name it. You can name it everything you want. So I'm just gonna add numbers to them. So here it is, a checkbox number 2, 3. You can also do it by pressing on by pressing F2 button to rename. It's the shortcut. So here we are. So now we go to the graph. First of all, we create a variable that we are going to name last checked. You can name it everything you want, but I'm going to name it like this. So the type will be checkbox, object reference, of course. So this will be the last checkbox that we clicked on to check. So now we are going to create another variable that will be an array. So I'm gonna name it array too, array boxes, or all boxes. So it will also be a checkbox variable, but it will be an array. Sorry, here it is. Now it's an array variable. So on the event construct here, we are going to make our array to contain all our checkboxes here. So it's very simple. You can drag it from here and click on set this array like this, and here you drag this node and select make array node. Here it is. So what we are going to do now is to add pins, because we have 4 checkboxes, so 3, 4. So here we are. Now you connect all your checkboxes, no matter how many you did. Sorry, I'm gonna remove this because we will not use it. So here we are now with our array variable that contains all our checkboxes. Sorry. Next step is to do it on every checkbox to make uncheck events. That is actually a uncheck state changed event for every box. You need to create it. So 2, 3, 4. Here they are. So next step is to check that the user or you has checked the box. So is checked here. So you can do a branch or if. So here on this branch we check that when the user click on the checkbox, he is actually checking it and not unchecking it. So here it is, and after that you can just make this variable, the last one checked, to be this box that is now checked. So like this, you can duplicate this easily. So here it is. You need to do it for every checkbox you created. Here it is. Make sure to connect everything correctly. And now the checkboxes variables, the first one, second one, and the last one. Okay, here they are. So now the next step is to uncheck the checkboxes that are checked. So we only have one checkbox that is checked, and it is the last one we had clicked on. So next step, like I said, is to uncheck it. So we need to do an for each loop. The for each loop, for those who doesn't know it, is a loop that parcours every single item on an array. So you need to connect your array reference to it like this. On the loop body we will set checked states, here it is, of our array elements. That is actually either the checkbox 1, 2, 3 and 4, like this. So we connect it, so every time this will update, and it will update in our case 4 times, one for each checkbox that is contained by this array. So it will update, and we will make it unchecked. So now that is completed and everything is unchecked, we need to check again the last checkbox that we have clicked on. So here we create a set checked state again like this, and we select checked. and on the reference we are going to use this variable that we have created, so it will be last checked variable, and make sure to connect this loop to every event here so it works correctly. Here it is. You can also create a function to make it look better, but it does the same thing. So here we are. Now I need to change my widget here. That was the HUD. It's the same thing, but we will select our checkbox widget to try it. So here we are, we have our checkboxes. So now I check this one. As you can see, it is checked. Now I need to check this one, and as you can see, it has automatically unchecked this one, so it works correctly. Thank you all for watching my video. So put a like if you want, if you liked my video, and don't forget to add a comment. If you have any problem, I will help you, and tell me if you want any other tutorial on Unreal Engine 4 on another video. So thanks all, and see you in another video.